Welcome friends. Today we are going to take journey through something that shapes up every project you will ever work on, the project life cycle. Think of it like story arc of a movie. There is beginning, there is middle which is full of twists and turns, and there is ending which ties all together. By the end of this chapter, you will not only understand what project lifecycle is, but also see how it makes project management more predictable and powerful. So let's dive in. So imagine building a house. You don't just start laying bricks randomly. First, you initiate. That is, you decide you want to build a house. Next, you design. So architect may draw multiple plans and you choose the layout and materials. Next, you develop. So the construction will begin, the walls will rise, plumbing and wiring goes on. And next, you will test it. Maybe you will inspect the structure, the check safety, and get the issues fixed. And next, you will deploy. That is, you will move on, you will furnish the house and start living in it. And finally, you will close it. Maybe you will complete all the paperwork and throw a party to celebrate the completion. That's the project life cycle, a clear sequence of phases from start to finish, and every project, whether that's building a house or an app or even an ad campaign, follows the same rhythm sequence of steps one at a time. There is something which is very important. Project managers are the one who decides how many phases there will be. So one project manager might break housing construction into 5 steps like foundation, walls, roofs, interiors, and finish. Another might stretch it to 7 phases, maybe include a couple of additional steps like landscaping and inspection. But the destination is going to be same, a completed home. Think of it like two builders using different checklists. The steps may vary, but house still stands tall at the end. So bottom line is number of phases may vary by projects as well as the project manager who is working on it. Look at the three main type of project lifecycle using our housing example. The first one and the traditional method is predictive, also known as plan driven. It is like building a house with a fixed blueprint where everything is decided upfront, like number of rooms, the materials, as well as the timeline. So there are no surprises. And the second type is agile, also known as plan driven. It's more like remodeling a house while you're living in it. Like you may adjust as you go on, maybe add a balcony, maybe change the kitchen design or adapt to a new need. And the third one, which is most common today, is hybrid. Hybrid is a mix or blend of both plan driven and agile project method. So herein you start with a solid blueprint, but you still allow for flexibility. Maybe the core structure is fixed, but you can still add features like a solar panel or smart devices later. Now, choosing the right life cycle is like choosing how will you build your house. Whether you want to follow a strict plan or you want flexible remodeling or you want a mix of both. So, and in addition, it also depends upon which industry you may be working on. Like typically in construction industry, you will see we follow plan driven, while if you're talking about software industry, it's more agile. But companies today are looking or working on hybrid wherein they can use the best of both worlds. So let's recap the project life cycle with our house analogy. First, a project life cycle is the journey from foundation to finish. Second, every project has a beginning and end. And the project manager is the one who defines phases, like a builder deciding the steps. And life cycle can be predictive, hybrid, or agile. It's just like using different building styles. And one exam tip is whenever you see a life cycle, think of it as a building house. It will have a start, there will be phases in the middle, and then there will be finish. Thank you for joining me on this journey through Project Lifecycle today. Remember, projects are like houses, they are built brick by brick, phase by phase until they stand strong. And you, as a project manager, are the architect guiding your team from first sketch to the final celebration. And if this has helped you see project in the new light, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such project management insights. Until next time, keep building, keep learning, and keep growing.